What's up, guys? This is Josh from Rando Bros. We are back, finally, with some more, what am I doing here? We are back with some Ultimate Chicken Horse, and we are, let's see, whoa, no. Let's see. Oh, no. Let's see here. Just trying to get some. Let's see, that'll work. Yeah, here we go. Alright, are we gonna play or. There we go. It doesn't matter. Alright. Alright, and party box. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. So that's the start. Oh God, I have not seen this one. Okay. What? I don't know. Okay, guys. Well, I'm out real quick. I don't know if this is like a possible thing right now. No, it's not. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and put that there. That works. Oh, shit. Okay. No. Okay. Ah, shit. God dang it. Well, I'm out. Oh, shit, you can do that? I've never seen this place before, so. Alright, that's cool. You can come up through there. Oh, well. He seems kind of stuck. Oh. Maybe not. Oh. What's he doing? Is he... He died. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. No! Oh my God! It's like every time I try and jump, I overdo it a little bit. Oh, that's... Oh, he made it? God dang. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Bam! Oh, that'll be fun. Alright. No, come on now. Why am I so bad at this? Like, it doesn't make sense. Uh. Alright. Hold on. Whoa. No. Stop. Oh, God. God, it didn't make any sense. I'm trying to go forward and jump back, and it just... Yeah. Over here. Oh, thanks. Good idea. You know, like... Man. Sure, let me take that. I'll take that. Yeah, the way they go. Let's do that. Why? Like, why do I jump off every time? God, this controller is so sensitive. I need to get used to it. I'll go ahead and grab the board, cause I don't even know what to do anymore. Let's go ahead and block that as much as we can. No! Oh wow, we all fell off right there. That's awesome. Ha ha ha! That's great. Oh, let me get that. Alright, then we'll flip one right there. Ah. Alright. Oh no, this is terrible. Nope. Ain't getting nowhere. God dang, I ain't got nowhere near the end. Come on, get... yes! Yes! Ha! Oh, that's great. Okay, let me get that. Alright, right there. And what's he doing with that? What's he doing? No! Oh my god, dude. No! Oh my god, I didn't know it was stuck. Come on, get fucked. Yes! 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 Ah! Get hurt. No! Ah! Ah! Come on, dude. Alright. Alright, he's on the block. Oh! Oh! Yep, that's it. Woo! Woo! Alright, then. 3 turns left. Okay. Let's go for it. I don't even know what to do anymore. Boom. Alright, I'm right here. I'm right here. All I gotta do is this. Yes! Yes! Yes, I made it! Ah! I made it! Oh, that's great. Yes! And game's over. Game's over. Don't let him get a post-mortem. Game's over. I made it. Yeah! Come back. What up? He's probably going to try and be an asshole. And I made it! I made it! What's up, guys? Yeah! Bang, 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 bang! Alright. Nope, I got it. Oh, you got it too. Alright. Let's go ahead and do this. Wow, really, dude? Alright. Oh, nope. No! No! God dang it. Well, at least I'm ahead, so if... Yes! I'm the ultimate chameleon. What's up, guys? Alright, cool. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!